he's not fit to start this weekend. We'll see how it will go on Wednesday. He's not with the group yet. Pedro, same. Pedro didn't practice with the group still. He is in treatment, but also running and exercising on the pitch.
Will you put John on the bench, maybe with a view to trying to get him some minutes if the game allows it on Saturday?
I don't think so, because then we have to have, with this kind of injury, we have to have a rather intense training before. It's too much of a risk when he's, if so, on the bench.
So he's got to prove his fitness Monday, Tuesday, really, for you?
I think so,
PSG.
yeah.
And any others beyond Pedro and John?
Pedro the same. Zuma, is practicing every day with the physios here. And that's it. That's it.
How much will the PSG game play on your mind in terms of selection for this weekend? Could you play your strongest 11 Saturday and Wednesday?
Oh well, we did in the previous games also some changes with the youngsters, which